Hey everybody, how's it going? So here is a beautiful building in East Flatbush, pretty close to the border of Brownsville. How much do you think this is going for? So it's boarded up. I'm kind of really curious what this looks like inside. I saw a sign that showed that they may be selling this while I was riding around, so I figured I'd check it out. It's got, your standard graffiti, garbage everywhere outside, your standard Brooklyn fare. This is Brooklyn. This is not Manhattan. And yeah, it looks pretty much like a boarded up building. You got a bunch of glass on the ground over there, right next to where I park my bike, which is great. Hopefully those Schwalbe Moto X tires do their job. Don't delay. Get Schwalbe Moto X today. Really should get a sponsorship from those people. I'm always buying their tires. And this is the outside. So I'm kind of curious what it looks like inside. So let's see if we can find anything on that. Oh God, how does that even happen? I mean, are those stairs? I can't even tell. It looks like there's stairs, or like once upon a time there were stairs, and then someone bought an e-bike battery from the same vendor I got my last one from, and then, geez. And then there's that stuff on the, right at the top of the stairs where I don't know if that's all burned or just rotten away or something. But yeah, that's the inside of this building. Oh, it gets even better. Look at that. Okay. Can somebody in the comments that knows a bit more about buildings or construction in general just give me any idea how you even get to this? Because I don't think that's a fire. Is that water? Is that just someone just going out of their way to make it look as shitty as possible? Like, how do you even get to that point? Well, it doesn't really matter at this point how you get to that point. What matters is that it's New York City real estate. And because this is New York City real estate, and not even the best of areas, it's going to cost you the low price of $1.3 million. That's right, folks. $1.3 million gets you this beautiful hunk of a deal. Any buyers?